Hello and welcome back to another WordPress development tutorial. My name is Tom with Philadelphia Website Solutions, and today we're going to add a navigation menu to our WordPress theme that we've been working on. We're going to do this so we can easily navigate back and forth through our templates we're going to build instead of putting everything in the address bar. So the first thing you want to do is go to Appearance. Oh you can't go to Appearance because our menu's not showing up there. And the reason for that is we haven't registered a menu. And to do that, we're going to have to create a new file. So we're going to create a file called functions.php. So I'm going to go ahead and save this functions.php. We're going to do opening PHP tags. And don't worry about closing them. So we're going to write a function here, PHP function. So do function. And now naming your functions, you gotta be unique. You don't want plugins or anything else interfering with your functions, or your functions interfering with plugins functions. So here at Philadelphia Website Solutions, we do PWS underscore, then the theme name, and then what it does. So for example, PWS underscore what's this called, tutorial, and then register nav. Alright, so there's our function. Then we're going to call in WordPress's built-in function, nav menus. You can use nav menu or nav menus. I'm going to use menus, that way we can add more than one menu if we like later on. And nav menu takes an argument, so we're going to give it an array. Array. And in here we're going to name our menu. I'm going to call it primary since it's going to be on the top of our page, so we'll call it primary. Go to separator. Separator. Operator. And in here we're going to call it, let's call it main navigation. Now if you've never written PHP before in an array, we don't give it a semicolon at the end, we give it a comma. I've seen people make that mistake before and can't figure out why their code's not working. It's a comma here. Alright, and not a semicolon. Now we gotta add the action. So we're adding the action, and it takes two arguments, so init, and then this is going to be calling our function, so in quotes, PWS, tutorial, register, alright, cool. So, make sure everything looks right. Looks good to me. So let's go ahead and refresh in the back end here. Go to appearance. Go to menus. Alright, so menus showed up. That's good. Now, I already have a menu created here for some reason. Alright, so create menu. That might be coming from one of my other themes when I created. Yeah, this is on my sandbox. So create a menu. We're going to call this main nav. And then we're going to manage the locations of our main nav. And there you go, save. Now we got main nav. Now we need to add a page to it. So we're going to go ahead and add a page. Use sample page. And we'll hit save menu. Now comes our front end and refresh. Oh wait, but we don't see navigation menu. Well, that's because we gotta call the function within our theme itself, outside the functions file. So to do this, we're gonna go into our header here. Well, let's do it properly with HTML5. So header, and like I said before, I like to add closing tags, comments at the end of each close, so I know everything's closing properly. You know, we can do nav, and nav close, and in here, we're gonna write one more line of PHP code to get our menu to work. So PHP, WP, nav, menu, and we're going to give it an array. And we're going to use theme location. So we're saying, which theme location is this? The reason why we're doing this is if you have multiple menus or navigation bars, you want to have a theme location so it knows which one to display. So in this case, what do we name it? Primary. Primary, let's properly close out our PHP tags here, and we should get a navigation bar. Now it's going to display it as a list, but that's fine. We can style it later. Boom, there we go. Now we can go to our sample page. And we can go back. So that's how you register a navigation bar or navigation menu within WordPress. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube. I'll try to help you out. Otherwise, we'll keep on moving.